So welcome students. In this question you're asked to find the area bounded by the curves y is equal to 2x minus x square and y is equal to minus x. So first let us draw these curves. If you take x-axis and y-axis, so y is equal to minus x is a very straightforward curve. It is a straight line making an angle of 45 degrees with x-axis in the negative direction. And y is equal to 2x minus x square is a quadratic curve. It is a parabola. And the leading coefficient is negative. The leading coefficient of x square is negative. That means it is a downward parabola. And what are the points where this curve meets x-axis? 2x minus x square is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0 or 2. So 0 and 2. These are the points where the curve meets x-axis. So how does the curve look like? It's a downward parabola which cuts x-axis at these 2 points. So you have something like this. So you have a parabola like this. So it meets this line at some point. So you're asked to find this area. So to find this area, first let us find this point of intersection and integrate upper curve minus lower curve. So to find the point of intersection, minus x is equal to 2x minus x square. So x square is equal to 3x. This implies x is equal to 0 or 3. X is equal to 0 or 3. So this point corresponds to 3. Now if you want the area, so area is nothing but integration 0 to 3, right? 0 to 3. Upper curve is 2x minus x square minus the lower curve is minus x dx. That is equal to integration from 0 to 3. 2x plus x is 3x minus x square dx. That is equal to 3 times x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 from 0 to. That is equal to 3 by 2 times 9. That is 27 by 2 minus 27 by 3. That is equal to 27 times 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. That is equal to 9 by 2 square units. So area is 9 by 2. This area is 9 by 2 square units. Thank you.